I'm Mark Addison. I'm with the Monticello division of Interfor. I am their procurement foresters, and I buy trees to supply the sawmill. And so with that, I have a long chain of suppliers. Each track I have to look at. I have to check out the canopy, the diameter size of the class, and just make sure that it has the right quality, workability of the site, and that it meets our spec. I don't have any background in logging. Nobody else in my family actually has a degree. My uncle was the only one, and like I said, he graduated from UAM. So that kind of planted the seed to where what I wanted to do.
The skilled trade division is what is really critical to the sawmill operations now because of the advancement in the optimization. UAM CTC, the education they provide gives them the base of what they need to know to come into this program and be successful. If they didn't have that education, they wouldn't be as successful and they wouldn't be as appealing to us because we knew we would have to start from ground one. And a lot of times you don't have that time. We strongly believe that business and industry should have a voice in what we teach. After all, they're the ones who employ our graduates.
They're only here for a little over 2 years, as you said. And right now, with the job market like it is, we've got employers coming from Blytheville, all of the industries here local in South Arkansas, all over that are interested in our graduates right now. And you know, we've had our graduates that just finished this last school year that, I mean, they had multiple job offers on the table.
Well, we try to find out what their needs are, and we're always tweaking the program. So we want to be what industry needs, but in the same sense, we want to give a good value on their education, so that the men and girls that come through here can actually have a gainful employment and succeed in life.
In addition to that, the four-year college is as well. Our accountant came from UAM. One of our foresters came from UAM. Actually, our senior accountant also came from UAM. Our HR rep came from UAM. So the opportunity, what people don't realize about the forest business is they think they have to have a forestry degree. And that's great, but that's just one part of it.
The connections you make with your professors really do pay off in the long run. Oddly enough, every job I've ever had out of college was because of someone I knew, and a lot of it related back to UAM, my first.
The biggest thing that is concerning is having a sustainable workforce to go forward in the future. What we try to do here as a company and personally, we spend a lot of money in the community. This is our home. This is the home we want to make for our people and their children and their grandchildren to go forward in the future. The less people that go to the trade schools or go to the forestry schools, the less sustainable the mill is for the future.
So not only with the forest inventory that I learned at UAM, you deal a lot with people out in these woods. So predominantly you're dealing with suppliers, loggers, and they emphasize that at UAM.
It takes all of it to make it work. So UAM is critical to what we do.